Wanderers, welcome to this last and final episode of our road trip in Andalusia, almost after 2 years actually traveling to it. On today's agenda, we will visit mostly natural places and end in one. Before I reveal the names and show you the beauty of each of those places, let me take you to Zuheros quickly by drone. Zuheros is a picturesque village often referred to as one of the most beautiful villages in Spain, thanks to its stunning whitewashed houses and its hilltop castle. Look at that, wow! Wow! Behind it, you might have noticed the hundreds of olive plants, didn't you? Well, they are there simply to produce high-quality olive oil, which the village is famous for. Let's increase the volume of the music, give you the last glimpse of Zuheros' surroundings, and transition magically into another place.
Beautiful, isn't it? Now we are located in another smaller natural park called El Torcal, which I believed was 12 kilometers away from Cordoba. I was wrong, it is 130 kilometers, but I decided to go anyway because it looked amazing. Two hikes are available here, the green one of 45 minutes and the yellow one of 2 hours. What we are going to do now, I will do both of them and then I will give you my impression afterwards. Alright, let's go!
Projected more than a kilometer above sea level, these ancient seabeds captivate by their stone sculpture shaped by nature over millions of years. El Torcal has been designated as a UNESCO World Heritage Site due to its exceptional geological value and natural beauty. Erosion, time, and fractures of the earth crust have created a magnificent karst landscape unique in Europe.
And of 2 hikes, and I loved both of them. I really felt like I was a little elf in between 1,000 years rock traveling into a magical world. That is a feeling I really cherished. Besides, we saw some animals I didn't expect, and the 2 hikes can be done in half a day. The only negative thing I will say about these 2 hikes is 70% of the green is also part of the yellow one, so in my opinion, you should just go for the yellow one and that will be enough. Now we will go to our last destination, our last natural park, La Sierra Nevada. I hope that will be amazing because this is the end of the road. You know, it's a little bit sad actually.
Before I feel too sentimental about it, let's actually travel and get to the last stop.
Wanderings, this is our last stop, one natural park that will end our incredible journey in Andalusia. We needed something that can challenge with all that we saw before, and I think I did find it. Sierra Nevada! The natural park which contains the 2 highest summits of Spanish-made lands. Can you see it? They are there, behind the clouds. In here, there are trails for everyone at any levels. Because we were not equipped and also out of time, we chose the medium one. As before, I will do it and then tell you what I think. I see you in a bit.
We chose a trail where ancient dam workers used to live. Now it is an abandoned village that looks quite cool. Only place in the whole Sierra Nevada where you can see a church stacked with hay. This hike will give you amazing views, hopefully not too cloudy for you, onto the biggest peaks, El Mulahacen y La Veleta. You will walk onto ridges, small bridges, and most of the time rocky terrain, making it diverse and really interesting. And speaking about good views, here are some from above.
Hey there! How were the shots? Good? Nice! For me, my eyes were amazed too. We've been a bit out of the path to get closer to the Murhassen, the highest summit, and it was definitely worth it. Every little thing I contemplated was out of words. Of course, the two summits, but the forest, the abandoned village, and all the surroundings. One day, doing the other side of the mountain and the natural park is definitely an option. And this is the end of our trip wanderings. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like, comments, everything that is possible on YouTube. You know, it helps me a lot. We'll probably see each other sometimes in the future, I don't know when, and in other places far away. So, hasta luego. Fuego.